Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set to go to the last edited note from the lock screen to the notes on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on the iPhone. So let's now lock the iPhone and I will show you if you have your shortcut in the control center of notes and how to do it, how to access notes from the lock screen on iPhone. We have another video on our channel how to do it, so be pleased to search for that video and get to know everything about it. So once you have done it, you want to add a new note from the lock screen. You're going to be brought to a completely new note, or the note that was last edited or created on a lock screen. So from the factory settings, it should be to bring me a new note every time if on a lock screen and going to the notes through the shortcut. So, but you can change it if you want to go to the note, to the last edited note from the Notes app. You want to open settings, then swipe down, tap on notes, tap on notes, then swipe down again, and on the very bottom click access notes from lock screen, and here you have three options. So off, it means every time from the lock screen, if you are going to try to go to the notes through the shortcut, you are going to be asked for your passcode or the Face ID. So then, if you select always create a new note, it means every time on a lock screen, if you are going to go right here, you are going to get a new note, completely blank new note. And you can also select resume last note. And here you have two options: to create it, the last note that was created on a lock screen, or the last note edited in the Notes app, or just the last edited note at all. So not viewed, it is edited, because I have checked that, not viewed but edited note. So keep that in mind. I don't know why iPhone just not typed here edited, but viewed. Viewing is not working, you need to edit. So, create on lock screen. You have option to create a new note after 5 minutes, 15, 1 hour after today, or never. So it means if you are going to lock your iPhone, then on the lock screen, create a new note, type something there. Within 5 minutes of locking your iPhone and going again to that note from the lock screen, you are going to be brought from the last to the last note that you have created on a lock screen. But after 5 minutes, the new note is going to be created. And here you can select the time, after how many minutes, hours you want to create a new note. So after 50 minutes, it means that after 15 minutes from the last time you have created a note or view a note on the lock screen of your iPhone, within 15 minutes the new note is going to be created. If you are going to go on the lock screen, type, just click here. After 15 minutes from locking your iPhone, you are going to get a new blank note. Here after 1 hour, after today, or never. It's up to you. Never means even after, 2 weeks of not unlocking your phone, just being on the lock screen, and then going to notes, you're going to be brought to the last note created on the lock screen. Once you have a tick next to the setting, it means that that one is set. So also you can select the view in Notes app. So what it means that if you're going to go through the shortcut on the lock screen here, you are going to be brought to the last note viewed in the Notes app. And here also you are going to be asked for a passcode. If you select always, it means always you are going to be asked for a passcode to go to the notes on the lock screen. So you won't be able to access notes if you don't have your passcode. After 5 minutes is the same as here. I'm not going to say all of that. It means after 5 minutes of locking, you need to type your passcode. Within the 5 minutes, you don't need to. and so on and so on. And again, once you have a tick next to the setting, it means that that one is set. I'm going to set after 5 minutes, and now let's go to the notes to let me show you how it works, because we said view in notes app. So now let's view a note about the Pixel 7 Pro and the notes. Let's edit it just by just clicking on the note, click done, go back to the home screen, lock the iPhone, and now try to go to the notes from the lock screen. We should be in the Pixel 7 Pro, but we are not, because we have not edited that note. This is what I said, not viewing but editing. So now let's edit it. Let's add just one right here, click done, okay. And now let's lock the iPhone and go through the notes. As you can see, we are in the Pixel 7 Pro note right now. If you want to go from the lock screen to all notes, obviously you need to type the passcode or the Face ID. So now, even if your iPhone is unlocked, you won't go through the shortcut, you're going to be brought to the last place that you have been in your notes. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can go through your last edited note from the lock screen on your iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!